Ever wondered why a computer might sneeze? Imagine this. In 1988, the first computer virus, the Morris worm, spread like a digital cold, infecting 10% of the internet within hours. It was the first time computers caught a virus, and it was no joke. This sneezing computer scenario is a humorous nod to how real viruses spread among humans. Just like a sneeze can send germs flying, the Morris worm showed how quickly a digital virus could spread. So, next time your computer acts up, remember, it might just be sneezing. Hit like, comment, and subscribe for more quirky facts.